Namaste. A warm welcome to all of you at this beautiful venue, the GMC Balayogi Athletic Stadium. We consider it a privilege to celebrate our school sports day in this sprawling stadium, which provides our students a grand stage to perform and revel, amplifying the excitement and recognition. Ladies and gentlemen, remember it's your energy, your chair, and your presence that will motivate our children to give their best today. We are waiting for the arrival of the chief guest and request all of you to quickly settle down and get ready to witness the spirited students of DSC Manikonda to showcase their talent. The chief guest has arrived now. As a symbol of respect and honor, we present the guard of honor to welcome our esteemed chief guest, and he is being accompanied by the chairperson, DSC Group of Institutions, Shilpa Ravi ma'am, members of the management committee, and principals of sister concerns. A prestigious ceremony, the cabinet members marching together and respectfully leading the chief guest and all the dignitaries. Indeed, a moment of great pride and honor.
ఆహ్లాదకరమైన ఈ క్రీడా ప్రాంగణంలో ఉల్లాసం వెల్లివిరుస్తున్న రమణీయమైన ఈ శుభతరుణంలో మా ఆతిథ్యాన్ని స్వీకరించి పాఠశాల క్రీడా వార్షికోత్సవానికి విచ్చేసిన గౌరవనీయులైన ముఖ్య అతిథులు మరియు డిఎస్ఈ బృందం ప్రధాన ప్రతినిధులందరికీ పేరు పేరున మా సహృదయ ఘన స్వాగతం.
फितरत बन चुकी है दिले बेकरार की, फितरत बन चुकी है दिले बेकरार की, अब तो आदत सी हो गई है आपके इंतजार की। छोटे से इस इंतजार के बाद आज के मुख्य अतिथि महोदय खेल के प्रांगण में पहुंच चुके हैं। हम सभी उनका तहे दिल से स्वागत करते हैं।
Afternoon, everyone. A very warm welcome to all of you on this special occasion, the annual sports day of DSC Manikonda, Adirohan 2024-25. To extend a formal welcome to all our dignitaries, let us welcome Ms. Durga Vani, Headmistress, DSC Manikonda, to deliver the welcome address.
A very good afternoon to all of you. It is simply wonderful to see the cheer and smiles of our valued guests. Ladies and gentlemen, Adhirohan 2024, our sports day, has brought us all together to celebrate the human spirit in motion. Yes, Adhirohan, soaring to glory, is more than just words of inspiration. It is a call to action, to rise above limits and to embrace the extraordinary. Dear guests, this day is dedicated to honor sports as it brings immense joy and value to our children as they play hard and fair. We are very glad as you join us in celebrating the triumphs of our young athletes and in creating memories that will last for a lifetime. Well, look forward to a day that is dynamic, intense, joyful, and exciting because our children are ready to enthrall you with thrilling competitions, dashing displays, exhilarating races, and more. Ladies and gentlemen, we appreciate your presence here today. It is significant as it provides a sense of solidarity that will fuel the determination and confidence that our children have. On behalf of DSC Manikonda, I would like to now welcome the dignitaries. Deeply honored to welcome retired Major General Shankar Narayanan, a true stalwart of the Indian Army, as the chief guest of Adhirohan. Sir, your presence today elevates this occasion. His illustrious career is an inspiration for generations to come. We will talk more about it in the segment that follows. Sir, உங்களை வருக வருக என்று வரவேற்கிறோம். We are also delighted that Mrs. Lata Shankar Narayanan also joins us to share our moments of joy. Welcome, ma'am. Chairperson, DSC Group of Institutions, Shilpa ma'am. Shilpa ma'am, your presence always brings a calming effect as you exude warmth each time you are with us, bringing in a positive energy that is required for a grand occasion such as this. Welcome, ma'am. Secretary, DSC Group of Institutions, Ms. Rama Devi ma'am. Ma'am, your unwavering strength serves as a solid rock behind us all. Your immense support brings a sense of stability and encouragement that is invaluable, especially during a grand occasion such as this. Welcome, ma'am. Our Academic Director, Shashi ma'am. Ma'am, your wealth of experience and innovative approach infuses every moment with inspiration. Your leadership not only guides us, but also elevates our efforts, making every occasion truly remarkable. Welcome, ma'am. Administrator Athapur, Ms. Reshmi ma'am. Ma'am, your dynamic spirit and youthful energy are truly infectious. bringing a vibrant enthusiasm to our gatherings. Your willingness to help and support everyone around you creates an uplifting atmosphere. Welcome, ma'am. Principal of DSC Attapur, Augustine sir. Your commitment to excellence in education inspires us all. Your presence at our ceremony enriches this occasion. Hearty welcome, sir. Thank you for joining us today. Principal, Banjara Hills, Ms. Bharti ma'am, your dedication to fostering a nurturing learning environment resonates with us, and we look forward to celebrating this occasion in your esteemed company. Welcome, ma'am. Vice Principal DSC Attapur, Ms. Malti ma'am, your leadership and vision have positively impacted the education community. We are excited to have you with us as we celebrate this special day together. Welcome, ma'am. Headmistress, Banjara Hills, Anusia ma'am. Your passion for fostering a love of learning sets a remarkable example. Thank you for joining us today, ma'am. Headmistress DSC Attapur, Lakshmi Gauri ma'am, you are a beacon of inspiration in the educational landscape. Your journey and achievements enrich this gathering, and we are excited to share this moment with you. Welcome, ma'am. Veena ma'am, our IT head. Her expertise in technology is instrumental in enhancing our school's digital infrastructure and provides innovative learning opportunities to our students, making them future ready. Welcome, ma'am. We are pleased to extend a warm welcome to the coordinators of our sister concerns. Your contributions in creating a well-organized and efficient learning environment is commendable. We are delighted to also welcome our esteemed teachers from other branches whose diverse perspectives and experiences enhance our educational community. Your presence here today enriches our celebration, and we look forward to collaborating and learning from one another. Welcome, dear teachers. A very warm welcome to all the parents and guardians present here today. To have you join us and witness the athletic prowess and sportsmanship of our young athletes. Let's cheer them on. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for such a heartfelt welcome. We are all set for an incredible day ahead. Let us all augment our spacious energy and seek divine blessings for today's event with an invocation dance presented by our students.
మన సంస్కృతి సంప్రదాయాలను గౌరవిస్తూ ప్రతి శుభకార్యానికి ముందు వినాయకుడిని పూజించడం ఆనవాయితీ. ఆ విఘ్నేశ్వరుని ఆశీర్వాదాభిలాషులై నేటి కార్యక్రమం నిర్విఘ్నంగా కొనసాగాలని ప్రార్థించడానికి తమ కళాత్మక నృత్యంతో మన ముందుకు వస్తున్న విద్యార్థి బృందమును కరతాళ ధ్వనులతో ప్రాంగణంలోనికి ఆహ్వానిద్దాం.
गजवदन हे गजवदन वक्रतुंड महाकाय गजवदन वक्रतुंड महाकाय
गजवदन वक्रतुंड महाकाय दशावतारी आम्ही धरितो तुमचेच पाय दशावतारी आम्ही धरितो तुमचेच पाय हे
गजवदन वक्रतुंड महाकाय गजवदन वक्रतुंड महाकाय गजवदन वक्रतुंड महाकाय वक्रतुंड महाकाय वक्रतुंड महाकाय सकलता माता विघ्नाची पूर्वी पूर्वी माझ्याची सर्वांगी सुंदर सिंदुराची कंठी जय जय माय मुक्ता फळाची जय देव 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 रत्नकचितंबरा तुझ गौरी पुरा चंदनाची उडी कुंकेशरा हिरे जडित मुकुट शोभतो बाला झुणझुणती नूपुरे चरणी गागया जय देव 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 जय देव
कृतत्ताड लंबोदर कृतत्ताड वेंकटेश्वर कृतत्ताड धात्रक देकिट कनक देकिट कनक देकिट कृतत्ताड धात्रक देकिट कनक देकिट धात्रक देकिट कृतत्ताड कृतत्ताड तुम्हा संकट अमुचे विलयाला स्तवितो तुम्हा संकट अमुचे विलयाला जाओ स्तवितो तुम्हा संकट अमुचे विलयाला जाओ
गजवदन वक्रतुंड महाकाय हे गजवदन वक्रतुंड महाकाय हे गजवदन वक्रतुंड महाकाय वक्रतुंड महाकाय वक्रतुंड महाकाय पीतांबर परिमल वंदना सरळ सोंड वक्रतुंड त्रिनयना
संकटी भावा वेदी वाणी रक्षा सुरवर वंदना देव जय देव जय मंगलमूर्ती दर्शन माते मानता माता मूर्ती जय देव जय मंगलमूर्ती दर्शन माते मानता माता मूर्ती जय देव 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 जय देव
The dance was indeed an uplifting experience, representing reverence and prayer. May we all carry the positive energy from this performance throughout the day.
హావభావాలతో అద్భుతంగా ప్రదర్శించిన నాట్య కళాకారులను రెండు చేతులు కలిపి అభినందిద్దాం.
Dear parents, a small announcement. Kindly pay attention. Please occupy the chairs on the right and left of the stage. The red chairs above are only meant for the VIPs, and the stadium does not actually allow or permit us to be seated there. So kindly please occupy the chairs to the right and left of the stage. Thank you so much for your understanding.
In the heart of India, nestled amidst ancient traditions and warm hospitality, lies a profound belief, Atiti Devo Bhava. As we revere our God, so do we revere our guests. And what an honor to introduce our chief guest for Adirohan 2024. May I request Ms. Shilpa, Coordinator Grades 3 to 5, to please do the honors of introducing the chief guest.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we are profoundly honored to welcome a remarkable man whose legacy of service wisdom, and courage stands as an inspiration for all. Major General Shankar Narayanan. With a career spanning over 40 years, Major General Shankar Narayanan has held critical command positions from the heights of Ladakh to the intricate terrains of Jammu and Kashmir and Punjab. His leadership has been instrumental in securing some of the nation's most sensitive borders, displaying both tactical mastery and an unyielding commitment to the ideals of our armed forces. Beyond our borders, Major General's experience reaches the global stage. His international assignments have included serving as a trusted advisor to the Botswana Defense Force, a peacekeeper with the United Nations in Sierra Leone, and a valuable member of the Indian Peacekeeping Force in Sri Lanka. Through these roles, he has forged partnerships with defense forces of the US, UK, Nepal, and multinational UN forces, bringing invaluable perspectives back to our nation. His keen insights into defense strategy have also been sought by leading institutions such as IIM Ahmedabad and ISB Hyderabad, with many of his contributions published in renowned defense journals. A scholar as much as a soldier, Sir holds a master's degree in management studies from the College of Defense Management and an advanced diploma in governance from Cranfield University, UK, and the distinction of being the first army officer to complete the IAS training course at the Lal Bahadur Shastri Stadium, where he learned the nuances of governance and administration. His gold medal from the Defense Institute of Advanced Studies further highlights his dedication to continuous growth. Since his retirement, Sir has taken on equally impactful roles as Pro Vice Chancellor, Defense Consultant, and now as a Principal Advisor, where he contributes to emerging sectors like drone technology. His writings on national security and defense strategy have shaped thinking across forums, and he remained a revered voice for those seeking insights into the future of defense. As we stand on this day dedicated to celebrating excellence in sports, it is fitting that we honor Major General Shankar Narayanan, whose life exemplifies the qualities we strive to instill in our young athletes: discipline, resilience, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. In the words of Ralph Waldo Emerson, what lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. Major Sir, your journey is a testament to the power of what lies within, a spirit that continues to inspire, lead, and ignite passion in all of us. We are immensely privileged to have you here today, and we look forward to learning from your notable experiences. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in extending the warmest welcome to Major General Shankar Narayanan. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. So, we are truly honored with your presence and participation today. I request our PDs, Mr. Vishwanath and Mr. Giri, accompanied by our principal ma'am, to guide our chief guest and the dignitaries through the ceremonies that follow. Hold your breath, ladies and gentlemen, because the moment has finally come. A symbol of strength, speed, and soaring ambition is about to be unveiled. As the drum roll rises, brace yourselves for the ultimate reveal. Look to the skies where freedom meets power. As the sun rises on this much anticipated sports day, a palpable excitement fills the air. As the flag, vibrantly adorned with our school emblem, ascends, it flutters gracefully against the azure sky, embodying the determination and camaraderie that define our community.
వినీల గగనాన ఎగురుతూ రెపరెపలాడే మన క్రీడా దినోత్సవ పతాకం గౌరవానికి అచంచల నిబద్ధతకు క్రమశిక్షణకు ఆత్మవిశ్వాసానికి ప్రతీక. విద్యార్థులకు స్ఫూర్తిదాయకంగా ఎగిరే క్రీడా దినోత్సవ పతాకం మన అందరికీ ఎంతో గర్వకారణం.
Each color woven into its fabric tells a story of resilience, teamwork, and countless hours of practice and preparation. With this flag held high, we celebrate not just the thrill of competition, but also the bonds we value, we uphold. As the drum roll rises, brace yourselves for the ultimate reveal. Look to the skies where the freedom meets. With the wings that span the sky and eyes that see beyond the horizon, it represents the very heart of the competition and resilience.
For victories won with honor in our hearts, we ride to stand for those who stand with pride. For honor and glory, we raise our steel in the face of fear. Our fate is sealed through fire and storm. We never
The Sports Day mascot, the mighty eagle. Let its spirit guide us as we take flight into a day of glory and triumph.
fields of red, we claim the fight with courage blazing in the night. Our swords are raised, our banners
భగవద్గీతలో
fly.
భగవానుడు
For
పక్షీణాం
honor's
వైనతేయస్య
call, we
పక్షులలో
fight.
వైనతేయుడిని నేను అన్నాడు. వేగం సునిశిత దృష్టికి అలుపెరగని శక్తికి సంకేతమైన గరుడ పక్షి ఈ సంవత్సరపు మన క్రీడా దినోత్సవ ప్రతీకాత్మక చిహ్నము.
ईगल दुनिया का सबसे विशाल पक्षी एटीट्यूड हो तो बाज के जैसा बाज से हम कुछ बातें सीख सकते हैं बाज में आसमान छूने की क्षमता होती है अपने लक्ष्य के प्रति एकाग्र चित्त रहता है बाज हमेशा अकेला और ऊंचा उड़ना चाहता है अपनी सीमाओं को तोड़कर बादलों से भी ऊपर उड़ने की ख्वाहिश रखता है इसलिए इस साल का मैस्कॉट है बाज
Together, let us embark on this day filled with sportsmanship, joy, and unforgettable memories. I request our chief guest to now take the salute of the march past. Today, we will witness a spectacular display of pride and unity as our students march forward in their house colors. Each house represents not only a unique identity, but also values that inspire us all. Ladies and gentlemen, please note that each house will be adjudged on the basis of synchronization and coordination, timing, and overall appearance. And the house that wins will be presented with the best marching trophy later this evening.
సైతం ప్రపంచాబ్జపు తెల్లరేకై పల్లవిస్తాను, నేను సైతం భువన భవనకు బావుటానై పైకి లేస్తాను అంటూ వివిధ వర్ణ కాంతులతో భావితరానికి భవితలుగా మన విద్యార్థులు కవాతు చేస్తూ ముందుకు సాగుతున్నారు.
The school cabinet leading the March Past contingent is being led by the school council members and head girl Sri Chakra Lingampalli, followed by the other committee members. Followed by them, we have the first house, Knights, representing the color yellow, led by House Captain Minakshi K, proudly holding the house flag, followed by Vice Captain Samanvi D, carrying the house logo, embracing the house motto, marching forward. Showcasing they are determined to face every challenge with courage and unity.
భారతీయ సంస్కృతి ధార్మిక ఆచారాలలో అత్యంత ప్రాముఖ్యత కలిగి పరమ పవిత్రతను, జ్ఞానాన్ని, ఆరోగ్యాన్ని, శ్రద్ధను సూచించే శుభకరమైన పసుపు రంగు వస్త్రాలంకరణలో కవాతు చేస్తూ నాయకత్వ లక్షణాలను, కృషిని, ధైర్యాన్ని మదిలో నింపుకొని అంకిత భావంతో మన నైట్స్ బృందం విద్యార్థులు ముందుకు సాగుతున్నారు.
छात्रगण अपनी जिम्मेदारियों को अपने कंधे पर लेते हुए वे पाठशाला के प्रति कर्तव्य, निष्पक्ष भावना, अनुशासन, नई चेतना जागृत करते हुए तन मन बुद्धि के साथ अपने झंडों को समर्पित कर रहे हैं.
Fantastic job, Knights. Now, let's shift our focus to Samurai, representing the color green. Led by House Captain Pirla Zeba, proudly holding the house flag. Followed by Vice Captain G. Yashwant, carrying the house logo. And Prefect Arush Sena, displaying the motto card, all united in the belief of igniting spirits.
समुराय, आंखों में शांति देने वाला यह प्रकृति का प्रतीक, यह विकास, स्वास्थ्य और सौभाग्य का प्रतीक है. हरा रंग मानव जीवन के लिए मां के समान है, इसके बिना कल्पना भी नहीं की जा सकती. यही सही आत्मविश्वास, निष्पक्ष सोच, निरंतर अभ्यास का संकल्प करके हर कार्य को एकता के भाव से पूरा करने का निर्णय लेते हुए छात्रगण आगे बढ़ रहे हैं.
సమానత్వానికి, సహకారానికి సంకేతంగా సానుకూల దృక్పథాన్ని ప్రోత్సహిస్తూ సామురాయిస్ జట్టు విద్యార్థులు ముందుకు సాగుతున్నారు.
Wonderful job, Samurai. Next, we welcome the fierce and passionate Spartans. Donned in red, House Captain Varshini Rao proudly waves the house flag, followed closely by Vice Captain Apurva Kote, displaying the house logo, and Prefect Sanvi M, showcasing the inspiring motto, setting new trends. It embodies a spirit of innovation and leadership, encouraging members to break boundaries, embrace creativity, and inspire others to follow their path towards excellence.
భావోద్వేగాలను, త్యాగాన్ని, వీరత్వాన్ని ప్రతిబింబించే ఎరుపు రంగు వస్త్రాలంకరణలో స్పార్టన్స్ జట్టు విద్యార్థులు ఎంతో ధీరత్వంతో ముందుకు సాగుతున్నారు.
शुभ का महत्वाकांक्षी प्रतीक उत्तेजनी पराक्रम हमारे साथियों में नजर आ रहा। ताल से ताल मिलाते हुए पूरी लगन, मेहनत, परिश्रम के साथ अपने लक्ष्य की ओर बढ़ रहे हैं। हम खतरों से डरते नहीं बल्कि उनका सामना करते हैं और अपने अदम्य साहस का परिचय देते हैं। स्पार्टन।
Excellent performance, Spartans. And finally, we have the valiant Trojans, adorned in blue, led by House Captain Matas Druti, confidently holding the house flag, accompanied by Vice Captain Sai Varshit, who carries the house logo, and Prefect Abhignya Reddy, proudly embodying the motto, Soaring High. This motto reflects a commitment to ambition and achievement, encouraging every member to reach new heights and pursue their dreams with determination and courage.
नीला नीला अंबर एक पर्दे के समान झुका हुआ नजर आ रहा है। हमारे साथियों पर शांति और स्नेह, पवित्रता झलक रही है। धीरज, धैर्यवान के साथ हमारे साथी तन मन से समर्पित है। ट्रोजन्स।
The drum band electrifies the sports day march past, their rhythmic beats resonating with excitement, marching in perfect synchronization. Each thundering drumbeat ignites the spirits of participants and spectators alike. Their vibrant performance sets the tone for the day, showcasing the dedication and talent of each member. The powerful sounds echo across the field, creating an atmosphere of anticipation and pride, reminding us of the unity and passion that sports embody. The drum band truly serves as the heartbeat of this celebration.
క్రమబద్ధతతో అడుగులు వేస్తున్న వీరిని చూస్తూ ఉంటే మహాకవి శ్రీశ్రీ గారు వ్రాసిన మహాప్రస్థానం కవితలోని కొన్ని పంక్తులు గుర్తుకొస్తున్నాయి. జయ జయ ధ్వనులతో జయభేరిమ్రోగి చరిత్రలో చిరస్మరణీయమగు ఘడియలు వచ్చెను. కదం త్రొక్కుతూ పదం పాడుతూ హృదాంతరాళం గర్జిస్తూ పదండి పోదాం పదండి ముందుకు పదండి పోదాం పై పైకి. ఎంతో క్రమశిక్షణతో కవాతు చేస్తున్న ఈ విద్యార్థులు మాతృభూమి, తల్లిదండ్రులు, వారి పాఠశాల కోసం తపించి శ్రమించే సైనికుల్లా కనిపిస్తున్నారు.
इन रंग बिरंगी झंडों से सारा वातावरण ही बदल गया है। जैसे मैदान में चार चांद लग गए हैं। वे बड़ी कोमलता, त्याग, अनुराग के साथ आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। कदम से कदम मिलाकर सभी छात्रगण अपने मंजिल तक पहुंचना चाहते हैं। हम जान हैं, हम शान हैं, हम डीएससी के शागिर्द हैं। सभी छात्रगण अपने कर्तव्य के प्रति नई चेतना, एकता, मिलानसार का धर्म, तन मन और बुद्धि शांति के साथ निर्वाह करके आगे बढ़ने की चाह कर रहे हैं।
What an incredible display of unity and spirit from all our houses. Each house has showcased their values beautifully, reminding us of the importance of teamwork and perseverance. As we continue with today's events, let's carry the energy and passion we have witnessed here into the competitions ahead. Now, to uphold the true spirit of sportsmanship, let the oath-taking ceremony begin. I invite the chief guest to administer the oath.
Good afternoon. Let's take the oath of Adhirohan 24. In the name of all competitors, we promise that we shall take part in Anirodhan, the Sports Day of Delhi School of Excellence, as fair players, respecting and abiding by the rules that govern the events in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the glory of sports. We shall put forth our greatest effort to achieve the best results in the games for the honor of our school.
This oath serves as a reminder to always compete with fairness and respect. The moment we have all been waiting for to formally declare the commencement of Sports Day. We call upon our esteemed chief guest to declare the sport meet open.
I now declare Adirohan, the sports meet of Delhi School of Excellence, Manikonda, open.
Sir, may we now request you to release the balloons. As a symbol of freedom, aspirations, and dreams taking flight, we will now see the balloons representing the school colors released into the sky. We also have Knights House mentor, Ms. Neetu Singh, mentor of Samurai, Ms. Mridula, House mentor Spartans, Ms. Santoshi Rajoshi, and the House mentor Trojans, Mr. Koteshwar Rao, ready to release the balloons of their house colors into the sky. There they go, ascending high into the skies, carrying our hopes and dreams. Let us all take a moment and appreciate the beauty of the sight.
రంగురంగులతో శోభిల్లే ఈ బెలూన్స్ మన ఆశయాలను కలలను మరియు విజయాలను ప్రతిబింబిస్తున్నాయి. ఈ బెలూన్స్ గగనతలంలో ఎగిరే విధంగా విద్యార్థుల యొక్క జీవితాలు కూడా అంచెలంచెలుగా ఉన్నత స్థాయికి ఎదగాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా ఆకాంక్షిస్తూ ఆశీర్వదిద్దాం.
Thank you, sir, and thank you to all the dignitaries. We have one of the most iconic moments of any sports event, the carrying of the torch. The Sports Day event begins with an exhilarating handover of the torch, symbolizing the spirit of sportsmanship and excellence. The Physical Education Department ceremoniously passes the torch to the chief guest, who now lights it, symbolizing the commencement of the event. With great pride, the chief guest hands the torch to the sports captains. Manideep Kumar and Sophia Teresa, entrusting them with its spirited flame, leading the charge with pride and responsibility, as their contribution towards school sports over the years has been commendable. See them as they carry the flame forward with determination and purpose to pass it on to yet another champion. Niket Mata of grade 8, a promising athlete from grade 8, has showcased his talent time and again as a part of cricket team in SFA, competing under 14 category. He is now with a sense of accomplishment and is handing it over to Ishanvi of grade 8, a dedicated badminton player known for her swift and precise game. She played and won first and second positions in SFA competition. The strength of her wrist is evident in the way she carries the torch forward. She hands it over to the rising star, Abdullah Hassan of grade 10. He represents our school in cricket. He did not have to wait too long to hold the symbol of illuminance, as it comes from his swift juniors who consider him as their aspiration. Sanvi K of grade 10, with a sharp strategic mind and swift reflexes. She has won numerous accolades in badminton. She has been playing consistently towards championships, and here she passes the flame to Srinidhi P of grade 9, who has secured second position in SFA Kabaddi competition. As you can see, she is eagerly waiting to take the torch in her hands and passing it on to Ramakrishna Sikaram of grade 7, a rising star in badminton. As a SFA gold medalist, he stands out not only for his impressive wins, but also for his dedication. He is now seen relaying to the torch to Ashmika Rajakonda of grade 6, a bold state-level taekwondo athlete, is known for her fearless approach and unwavering commitment to the sports. And now the spotlight is Karthik Dev of grade 5, a chess champion known for his mastery of strategy and unbreakable focus. He now passes the flame to Jana Shiva Durga Sai of grade 10, who has been selected for the district level Kabaddi competition. And now, as you see, a seamless handoff to see a school captain, Sri Chakra of grade 10, an international level wrestler. The flame is now its final leg of the journey, waiting eagerly to light the cauldron with Mr. Vishwanath, head of PD. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. PD is lighting the cauldron now. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a round of applause?
खेल के मैदान में जलती हुई मशाल हमें प्राचीन ओलंपिक खेलों और उनके समकक्ष के बीच की कड़ी की याद दिलाती है। यह मशाल खेलों की घोषणा करती है और लोगों के बीच शांति और दोस्ती का संदेश फैलाती है।
క్రీడా ప్రపంచంలో ఈ జ్యోతి సాంప్రదాయ చిహ్నం. ప్రజ్వలించే ఈ క్రీడా జ్యోతి క్రీడా స్ఫూర్తిని చాటి చెప్పే ఒక గొప్ప ఘట్టానికి సాక్ష్యంగా నిలుస్తుంది. దేదీప్యమానంగా వెలిగే ఈ జ్యోతి అంకిత భావం, విజయం కోసం చేసే కృషి, క్రీడాకారుల హృదయాలలో నిరంతరాయంగా వెలుగుతూ ఉండాలనే సంకల్పాన్ని సూచిస్తూ క్రీడల పట్ల మనం ఎంతటి నిబద్ధతతో ఉండాలో మనకు గుర్తు చేస్తుంది. అంతేకాక ఏమాత్రం కష్టం వచ్చినా క్రీడా విలువలను పాటిస్తూ ముందుకు నడుస్తాము అనే సందేశాన్ని ఇస్తుంది.
Thank you all. Sports Day is not only a celebration of athleticism, but also a moment to reflect on the achievements of our school over the past year. I now invite our principal, Hemlata ma'am, to present the annual report.